Good morning, YouTube. Trader Trash here. 4 minutes before the open. Going to trade some live features today in my Top Step Combine account. I'm on step 2. Today is day 1. I'm already up 170 minus commission, so we're up 118 on the account. We need to hit 1,000 to get funded. This is their micro combine, the swing trade combine. We've got some data coming out this morning. Construction spending, manufacturing index, PMI, and we've got Federal Representative Jerome Powell speaking at 10 o'clock. So, as always, I'll be watching the open for a few minutes. I may or may not place some trades, but we'll talk about it. And we'll probably hang out and see what happens with the Fed speak. I may or may not make a trade. We'll see what happens. So, give me a few minutes as we get ready for the open. I gotta send the link out. Bear with me. Let's watch the charts for the time being. I'll switch back to the Top Step page before I place any trades. We've got just over 2 minutes till the open. Let's go. Might be choppy. Might be a little choppy this morning. The first 15 to 30 minutes with the data that's incoming. We'll just have to see what the market feels like doing today, huh? Should be interesting. 2 minutes. Two minutes.
Note for the ECB front, it seems to be a piece in the WSJ where
you guys hear that news, guys?
ECB officials privately called investors and banks after key policy decisions. Again, leads with the paragraph that ECB's chief economist Lane made dozens of private calls to banks and investors after policy meetings this year. An unusual attempt to buttress the central bank's sometimes puzzling public communications.
What do we have here?
WSJ citing
90 seconds? 1 minute.
Of his schedule. We'll post a link to that piece on the headline feed momentarily for those more interested.
Keep an eye on NASDAQ over here. I'm going to be trading the NASDAQ. Get that switched up. You can see we're at the top of this range here, near the all-time high, maybe a previous all-time high. So we're up here towards the top at 400, 408.50. I suspect could be some trouble there. 30 seconds.
From Operation Warp Speed Sloughy says they will add between 30 to 50 million doses in February, coming from other two programs, AstraZeneca and J&J vaccines. Do note in about 15 seconds we are looking out for Canadian market manufacturing PMI for November. Previously came in at 55.5.
Yes, sir. That's not the Benzinga guy, but yes. Let's go.
That comes in at 55.8, up from the prior 55.5 for Canadian market manufacturing PMI for November.
Seems like a slow open to me here. 30 seconds into the open, not much happening. Pfizer's dumping, the dollar's pushing up. Apple's pulling, Amazon's pulling, Netflix is pushing for new highs, breaking pre-market. Netflix Microsoft is flat. SPY looks heavy. Nasdaq's looking heavy under VWAP. Pfizer's pulling pretty decent. Support at 39. Where's G? Swinging Pfizer. Hope that dude wakes up and takes his profit. Roku's dumping. Nasdaq's dumping. S&P's just kind of hanging out. $12,336 was last night's open price. If we drop under 350, I'm looking at that 40 level and the 20 level, which was yesterday's close price, for a potential bounce on the Nasdaq. Amazon's pulling down towards that 200. Apple flat, trying to push up a little bit. Still expecting that chop. A little bit of chop while we wait on this data. We have PMI in about 10 minutes, followed by Pow Pow. For those of you that are not familiar, Jerome Powell, I call him Pow Pow. He'll be speaking at 10 a.m. We have construction spending at 10 a.m., ISM manufacturing index at 10 a.m., and then nothing till lunchtime. And we'll have Fed speakers from lunch through power hour. So all afternoon, Fed speakers. I don't know if any of them have any voting rights. I'm sure one or two of them do. Let's go. 2 more minutes on the opening range. S&P has gone nowhere, choppy. Apple's choppy, making new lows into the 200. Amazon new lows into last night's close price. Microsoft flat and choppy. Netflix is the same. The dollar looks to be starting bull flag. So let's see if this market consolidates a little bit before dropping further. Potential to 12,340, 12,320. That'll take back all the gains on the day. Apple's dropping hard. Microsoft's pushing down. I usually don't trade the first 5 minutes, but feels like a good time to get in. 1 more minute on the range.
Just taking a look at markets after cash and equity open, seem to be seeing a further downside.
SPY is dropping now. Nasdaq's getting wrecked.
Open here, of course, month beginning, we can see now. And similarly,
There's that 340 level.
stocks so see a bit of downside. Seems to be one main on wider indices. Then again, could be just be some open volatility. You bear in mind other assets, not too much movement.
Looking for that
Recent trade,
open price from last night, potential bounce point.
Space.
Although this looks like it's going to keep dropping.
Some downside with
Yesterday's low was 12,086.
Session highs with the wider inflation break evens today.
Randy.
What's up, little bro?
Yeah.
Do note ahead of the ISM manufacturing at the top of the hour.
News guys, Fabber.
On the NASDAQ.
What
A little bit
happens?
of support.
Oh yes, we have the open from last night here.
Yeah.
Looks like there's something else that happened here. What is
Did we
this?
tap it?
Oh, pretty much, yeah. We pretty much tapped it.
Alright, I'm gonna put a short right below it.
SPY hit the 200 and bounced a little. Definitely on the bearish side right now. Lots of buyers coming in NASDAQ. Pretty big guy over here, 57 contracts. 57 contracts at 343. He's up $1. Pfizer bouncing. Netflix is ripping. Microsoft's coming down. Apple looks heavy.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna. I hate to chase this right here. Just be patient for a minute. They did the 10:30 bounce yesterday. Nine minutes till data, little bro.
You got 9 minutes?
9 minutes. We got PMI. It should wiggle around a little bit for that. Probably won't be a big deal. Nasdaq's tightening up down here at yesterday's open price on that 340 level. Pushing back up.
I just stopped out.
See if they smack it at 50. Or if they're buying. Pfizer is going for a higher day. Apple looks to tighten up a little. Netflix makes new highs. Oh, we're going to hit 500 on Netflix today. Roku new low. Nasdaq broke that 50 level. S&P wants a new high a day. The midway point between the low and the high today from overnight is 12,356.75 roughly. I think I'm gonna try and short it up there near that price. Alright,
Order filled.
and I'm gonna get stopped most likely and give it a little more room.
Dude,
Oh yeah, that's a bad idea.
Yesterday went in 13 contracts deep.
Huh?
I was watching Matt stream the other day. It was yesterday. He went 13
Order filled.
contracts deep
Oh, nice.
on a funded account. And he was down like $2,000. Somehow came out plus 100.
Ouchie.
He went all in.
Pfizer's ripping.
Alright, what do we got here?
I might get stopped out on this. I'm short.
You can get bought up. Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
It got me for a few bucks.
Order cancelled.
I might try a micro combine again.
That's what I'm trading right now. I like it. I like the micro
Yeah.
combine because there's no rules.
Yeah.
There's no rules, right? And you can scale in.
Yeah.
And it's easy, you know, it's easier. It just feels easier. Good morning, G. Are we still holding Pfizer?
Holding Pfizer and holding Nicola.
Ripping.
Nicola?
Check out. Let me see.
Apple rips. Did you see Netflix? We just broke 500 Netflix. New highs. New high a day, rather.
Cash.
Hmm?
I don't have cash, you said.
Still holding both of those.
Yeah.
KLA. What is that doing? Did you get a nice gap down on it? Oh, yes. 5 points. That's 25%, isn't it? So 18% gap down on that Nicola G. What type of profits are you? What percentage are you at with that move? I'm curious how volatile it is.
Oh my God.
77%, I guess.
77%. Look at this Nasdaq. Oh, they bumped me
Wow.
and dumped it. Quick spike, trap.
Yeah, it doesn't look too pretty on any of my charts.
I think I'm gonna lock it in my profits. Look at the P&L year to date in comparison to yesterday.
What you got?
Let me look.
My profits are going. Well,
Oh,
Nice.
look now.
Nice, bro.
see New Zealand GDP.
You're up 1,600 on the day, 1,900 year to date. There you go.
Selling price 3,261.
That's an improvement from yesterday. Let's go.
And for whole milk
It's
pounds,
getting bought back.
Let's go.
set to $3,182.
I'm gonna start taking profit because I think the market is gonna roll at flat gold.
Pfizer's pulling. Nicola looks like it's going to zero. You should just keep holding that. Lock in partials on your Pfizer. Is that what you just did? Hmm?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Look at this. That's the NASDAQ chart.
Textbook, huh?
Yeah.
Textbook. We got
Oh shit.
that data comes out in 3 minutes.
What data?
PMI. I'm gonna try and buy a pullback here. No such luck. It's just gonna rip.
Man, I got rid of my.
Hmm?
I took off my order. My order got filled.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm on day 1 of step 2.
How's it going?
I'm 10% of the way to funded. Let's go. That's another thing.
On.
That's another thing about this account, little bro.
Pfizer.
There's no time limit. Like you can get funded in 2 days.
Yeah, that's cool. I got funded in a week. I got lucky though.
Nice. So
That
new
was
high.
like back in your the Rona days where you could get funded like instantly when it was so volatile.
Oh yeah. So Pfizer's going for a higher day. Apple higher day.
I saw it. I saw it.
Netflix going for the higher day. Not Amazon made a higher day. Spy's making higher day.
How about Nicola?
Nicola is trying to get a little upward momentum with the market, but it's not. It's not moving.
I'm on day 7 of step 2. I need
Just a bit of
470 more bucks.
sound.
3 days, $400. That's easy cheesy. Let's go. You'll be
Yeah,
funded this week.
So I'm taking my time.
Expectations.
You'll be funded this week, huh?
Hedge funds are reported sellers.
Yeah, I should be.
25,000.
Let's go.
Something goes wrong.
10-year March 20. So long bond
Uh,
futures.
1 minute.
Also in March. And took price pick of the
Morning. Good morning, Leo.
did reportedly stock programs. Just
It's Leo.
fixed
1
income
minute.
selling.
He's on my YouTube. Just
Uh,
chat on the YouTube. 1 minute. PMI.
I'll go subscribe to you. What's your thing?
You scroll up a little. There's a link, or actually, I might still have it pasted.
Do you know
I'll set
again,
up trade
just under
charge.
There you go.
for US market PMI final for November.
Gino.
Came
Good
in
morning,
at
bro. Long time no
56.7.
see. You no longer live, G?
Yeah, no.
You closed it.
If you guys want to see it.
Oh, I was watching.
Oh. Yeah? If you guys want to see it.
Apple's ripping. 15 seconds till data. Yeah, I was watching it, man. If you want somebody to watch it, I'll watch it.
Pfizer is ripping to the fucking moon.
It helps me. It helps me trade a little better when I know somebody's watching. So I don't know if you have the same effect.
I know what you're saying.
Pfizer's ripping.
I know.
Man, I really,
Dude, it's getting bought up. It's
yeah.
getting bought up like crazy.
Order
Should've-
cancel 7.
Holy shit, Pfizer is ripping to the trash.
Yeah, here comes that data.
Of course, this is somewhat overshadowed by the ISM coming up in 15 minutes' time.
What? This guy says it's another 15 minutes, but I have it coming out right now. ISM is at 10 o'clock. PMI is right now. Manufacturing, so this is the final PMI for the year. Probably is not going to do anything. Yes, sir, Gino. I figured I might work on the YouTube a little bit this coming year.
Yeah.
Pfizer Reds. Let's go, G.
I'm still in the game, bro. Still got skin in the game.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shit.
Shit. So 12,400 has been the top overnight on the Nasdaq.
What a rip on Pfizer. No high a day. Boom. It's ripping. And me go like shitty. Both trades are coming my way, bro. Beautiful.
Lots of buying volume on the Nasdaq.
Beautiful. And shit go like stacking and shit.
Yeah, I thought that stuff was going down at that initial, it dumped so fast. It looked like it created a...
Did you see shit go?
Look at these bits of green coming in on the Nasdaq. That thing pushing 10 points away from that 400 level. Pfizer rips, Apple's ripping, Netflix is ripping, new highs.
Shit go like shitting.
Amazon's choppy.
And shit go like shitting.
Nicola's it's not doing anything. It's coming down slowly. Going for that new low a day.
Yeah, let's go. Don't keep that pass.
Oh, I'm live on YouTube, G, so kind of. I don't know if they can hear you or not. Can you guys hear the Discord?
Yes, we can hear each other. Yeah.
Beautiful. Can I say that? Fuck you, Mark.
No.
Fuck you, Milton.
No. All right, they smacked the S&P off of that first deviation. It did cross back onto the bullish side, so S&P's back in the bullish territory.
And Q's dumping a little bit, pulling back.
Nasdaq.
Stopped up.
Ops cover of 1.78 times
200 moving average right here at the 80 level.
Previous operation received ops cover of 1.93 times.
How's the sound on YouTube? Is it too loud, too quiet, staticky, everything good?
Let me mute the Discord and check. I couldn't really tell when I was listening. You're okay.
Gino says it's all good. I'm sitting away from the microphone a little bit, so if it's too quiet, let me know. Yesterday's high today, 12,337.2. We tapped it on this pullback and bounced. You can see that right here.
Yeah, no, it sounds pretty good.
Awesome, thank you.
There's slight static, but
I'm sitting right next to a fan. I could probably
really affecting anything.
You shouldn't be able to hear the fan. There should be a noise gate.
The voice portion sounds good.
There should be a noise gate on my microphone through the YouTube, not on Discord, of course. Of course. All right, so we got Jerome Powell coming up in 10 minutes. Pow. Is he gonna turn the printers on? What do you think, G?
I don't know. I think he's gonna be negative and he's gonna flip the market upside down.
Think so?
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm just kind of like going uneasy on my positions right now.
Order filled.
I'm gonna buy the top here.
At the top.
I'm gonna buy the top here and see if I can get wrecked. And I'm gonna put my target up here at
We do get the ISM
6.2.
for November. Started off with that one, street expected
6.25, just below resistance.
In terms of other gauges that might help us understand,
Just below A
It is
resistance.
worth noting the flash market data did surprise to the upside.
We can break that 400. Let's go.
Unless it did surprise to the upside above the forecast range. And
I might
you
add
will
to it on a
caused
pullback here.
Quite a sharp risk-on reaction. So
And every time it gets close
to
to
ISM manufacturer PMI, expect that 58 from 59.3. Prices seen coming in at 65, pairing the top
Really
at
got some order fills
65.5.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
okay. So now I'm long 2.
New orders prior at 67.9.
Try not to get stopped
So
out.
the US construction spending print for October, the Street looks for a rise of 0.8%.
I'll take one. I'll take one off just below, just above 95.
FOMC Chair Powell's testimony.
Let's go.
Remember, this was released yesterday, and he largely stuck to the script.
We
I don't think
long.
there's going to be any more text released.
All I'm saying is if it does break out to the upside,
to his
I
Q&A.
feel like it's going to go square.
I'm probably gonna get stopped out.
It's going to be one way or the other.
Remember, last week's meeting minutes did leave
It's
something.
already had this
everybody.
nice push, $50 push. It's probably gonna pull back into the 60 area.
Order filled.
I'll get back in.
Raising the size of its asset purchases. That leaves the potential for either enhanced guidance or potentially extending the weighted
Order filled.
of its purchases. So we'll be keeping an eye out on Powell's remarks for any clues in that direction. Just in
Order
terms of what
filled.
he actually said, his testimony yesterday,
They
released
bumped me
yesterday,
out,
did
bastards.
reiterate that the vaccine fund was
back in.
positive for the
Let's
medium
go.
term, but for now, significant
This guy's
challenges
talking
and
too much, huh?
uncertainties remained,
He's
including
talking
the
fast. Dude's can't even understand what he's saying.
He's talking too much.
Said a lot of this in the past. It's worth noting that he is saying it with a bit more intensity.
Order
Given he was
filled.
testifying
I
about
back in another one there
criticism of fiscal policy
with my
some of those
original target 6.2.
weeks ago.
96. Let's get an extra dollar to make up for that last loss. Alright, let's go. Tighten my stops a little bit. Cause Trader don't take no L's.
Trader never thinks.
Trader don't take no L's. Alright, so we're getting greens. Let's go.
Yeah, he might be Gucci. If it comes up here again, bro, it wants it.
I wanna
It
see
wants
that.
higher if it comes up here again.
I wanna see it hit that 400.
Yeah, get back some profits. One of these workers.
It's like a magnet straight to 400.
The dollar's dumping.
He'll hit it. It's ripping now. Yeah, you're Gucci, dog.
Dollar's
There's no way.
dumping. Are we ripskis? Ripskis for the boys, bros.
Oh my gosh, getting a little volatile.
Agris, what's up, bruh? On the YouTubes. What was that? You selling some of that?
I'm out.
Taking that Nicola off the table?
On the FX front, it's worth
Yeah, I'm flat.
I don't blame you. That thing dropped 20%, man. And it's pushing back up. So take them profits. Good trade. Pfizer looks like a bull flag starting to form.
NASDAQ looks like one giant
I
asymmetric
try my profits on Pfizer as well.
Buy is ripping, new highs. Let's go, nasty. Push that 400. Let's go. Up 60 bucks on 2.
Getting stopped out again.
I bought those Pfizer yesterday, bro, for 47 cents. I sold it today for about 37.26.
Yeah. Look at
39.
my win rate for today. It's garbage. 35%.
I've got 81%.
Oh wow!
Only
I just
up under 70
realized.
bucks.
I just realized right now that I have a 5K VP in this account.
Yeah.
I have positions open.
Yeah. You got Pfizer open.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, you do. You got 2 contracts.
Yeah.
Let's go, NASDAQ. Give me my 97.2 and my 06.2. And give it to me in 2 candles. Let's go. Green timing sales. Green, 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 green. That 400 level's been tough all day. All night. I think if it breaks it though, it's gonna just rip 200 points. And we'll go to 6. We'll definitely go to 5 if we break 4. Today.
I just want to see something already.
Today. Is that Bashy?
Man.
No, it's White Horse Trader.
Coming late. Apple's going for the higher day. I'm gonna move my stop up into profit at this point.
That'd be smart, because it's still not going for highs.
I'll put 1 on break even and I'll put 1 in profit just under this moving average. Actually, under the whole dollar. I'll just leave it where it was. I'll just leave it where it was. Because Trader don't take no L. I should probably have left it. I'll probably get stocked out. That's alright. Let's just rip it. No whammies. No whammies. Let's go. Momentum's going down though, so we'll see what happens. It's early.
No. Manucci and Pelosi are going to bat again today. Beautiful.
Mnuchin and Pelosi.
Yep. To talk about how they're not going to make a deal.
There's a, it probably won't make much difference, but there is a Senate hearing right now in Michigan on vote count issues. So, you know,
I think it's over. I think Biden won, bro.
I don't think it'll do anything to the market. Let's go.
And squeeze it.
Give me my money. Pay this man. Apple high a day. Apple's been on fire this week, huh?
Just one more trade.
Gee, we should be holding Apple.
Apple on fire?
It's ripping again today.
Holy shit.
It's already up 3%.
Amazon is not doing shit.
Netflix pullback. Yeah, Amazon's not doing anything.
Wow.
Oh, I don't like that pullback. Look, they tapped my stop loss, but didn't fill it.
And I had an order there. It ripped, took me out.
Okay. Don't stop me. Got stopped.
I just need one more trade. My target.
I got stopped. And we got Pow Pow coming up in 2 minutes. Man. Let's go short.
Order filled.
Pow Pow's gonna wreck it. And a profit right here. Let's go right here.
I'm gonna take my profits and gonna go to the beach.
Risk 5 points on this trade.
Locking some more profits.
I'm gonna add another one.
Order filled.
And I got stopped. Oh, it's ripping. Okay. Alright.
I don't know how, but
Pow Pow. Pow Pow's
wow,
coming.
there's so much slippage to the upside.
I'll be back.
Yeah. Try and buy a pullback then.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Right now until these ISM manufacturing data for November. Street looks for a pairing back
This is
to 58
interesting.
for the
Let's see what
headline,
happens.
59.3.
Order
We'll
filled.
dispatch with the ISM its components. Then we'll have a look at the construction spending. Not expecting anything fresh from Powell after his testimony was released yesterday after hours. If there is anything called, we'll
Oh my
update you.
gosh.
See what happens here. I want to add another one. Tell you what.
My chart's lagging out. It's like
Let's
kind
go.
of we're gonna get volatile to start tweaking.
If that thing pushes
10
another
seconds.
candle like that. Oh, we got data coming out as well right now. We got Pow Pow and we got data. I'm gonna
57.5, that's under the expected. Prices 65.4, better than
Speeding up, let's
expected.
go.
Employment falls to 48.4 from 53.2. New orders 65.1.
don't
down from
stop me
67.9.
now.
The construction spending October data 1.3.
Construction spending, yeah, we have construction spending right now.
Powell, just reiterating on that ISM data, but not
Pow
really
Pow,
much by
ISM
reaction just yet.
manufacturing.
Headline comes in at 57.5. Street was expecting 58, down from 59.3, so we fall a bit more than expected there. The prices gauge at
Let's go.
65.4. Street was looking to for
Volatility,
65,
baby,
down
you
from
love it.
65.5, so prices remaining a little bit elevated compared to what analysts were
It's just not going.
48.4 down,
And I would have gotten filled.
and it was gauge at 65.1, and that's down from
All right.
67.
There we go.
Good job.
There we go. I'm gonna move my stop in and profit right here, and I'm gonna try and buy a pullback here. Let's go. Look, my original target was 6.25. It went to 6.5 and pulled back. If I hadn't got stopped out over here like a chump,
Mexico's latest poll shows private sector expect
that would have been a really nice trade.
3.64.
Now I'm over here just trying to make back the damn loss. Let's go.
74% win rate. Let's get it.
They're not going to let me in with another contract.
ISM data, some traders track also just alerting us that they're seeing some quite chunky
Bringing my
buy
stop.
orders going
Bringing
to
my
ES.
stop. I'm going to raise my
NQs are
target,
seeing a little bit
I
more
think.
by
Yeah,
comparison.
I'm going to raise my target.
Looking at the futures,
Raising my
taking that
target.
state,
Bringing
this
my
value
stop.
impulse, value cyclical impulse that we're seeing return after that month-end window has gone now.
Let's go. I have a technical at 08.5. We're testing and moving above it right now. Let's go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna move my target up to 50. Probably gonna get smacked back pretty soon, but let's be optimistic and just trail it with a stop. So I'm back where I was before I took these 2 or 3 little scalps and got wrecked. The way that pushed through 400, I suspect it's going to at least go to 20 before a pullback. I'm going to cut the stream off in about a half hour. I'm going to try and keep these live streams at about an hour.
Yeah, and then just do your own thing.
Yeah, and then, well, I don't usually trade after 11 anyway. But maybe then I'll do a recap in the afternoon or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
It's red.
I'm lazy, you know. Join the Discord. Then you don't have to see. Ooh, red. Let's go, NASDAQ. Give me my money. Time of sales is, huh?
It's right at the top of this.
S&P tapped that new high it made last night, that new all-time high.
We're just seeing a few more positive ticks in the
Dude, you might be sitting on a gold mine
It
today.
might be.
I'm trying.
If it breaks out,
Or
if
bad
it breaks
data,
out to the
good
upside of
data,
this
it
asymmetry
might
triangle, it's
cause
gonna rip,
to
I
be more
bet.
supportive in its policy action.
And it looks
Other
like
traders
it
just
is.
noting that
I'm gonna try and add again here
speaking has crossed
on
on other
pullback.
organisations now, so there might be some follow through from that
And
as
I'm
well.
gonna bring my
Unless
stop
we're
up.
to see the ES future pick up.
Bring my stop up to here. I'm gonna try and add with the stop there. Give me a pullback right here. Let's go. Right here.
Like, doesn't that look like it just wants to, based off the day before, it just wants to rip?
If I get filled on that pullback, I'm gonna take profit on that. Right under 30. If I get filled. It's probably not gonna pull back, it's so strong. Remember how strong it was all night last night?
Yeah, dude, I think
We're gonna
might possibly the day it breaks out of this asymmetry triangle.
we're gonna do a 300-point day today on NASDAQ.
And you might be funded by then.
Nah, not with one contract. I would
No,
need
you're only doing one.
I would need 500 points.
Semis. CNBC
Yeah,
Apple high a day.
announces its Snapdragon 888.
I'm trying to add though. I'm trying to add another contract.
You
We'll
can
see.
get a good added position, do it. I mean, you're already in a good spot.
I'm trying to add here. Let's see. I'm gonna move my stop. Moving my stops.
And
Pushing that 20 level. Smacked it. G?
no, my Pfizer. I think I should have held it for
We're
another
green.
2 days or so.
Did you get violated for
No.
for trading yesterday?
No,
No. Ha. Little bro. Big Bro's in the YouTube and he says he can hear you. Give me my pullback. Let's go. Give me that pullback. There we go.
Oh well.
Here we go. I might get my second contract, little bro. I'm in.
Order filled.
All right, now don't stop me. Keep pushing. All right, so we're long 2 now. Let's go.
Yeah, look.
Rip. Stops at 400 on both contracts.
Does it not look like it's just one of those days though, or just gonna rip your face off? Just kind of like.
I hope so.
Neo's just dying. Neo's fucking dying.
Neo.
Holy shit. Neo's hauling some ass to the downside.
Let's go. Rip.
And Pfizer just made a new high day. Man, I should have fucking held it for another couple of days. I had time on my hands.
So that 0850 is holding up as a support level right now.
I still had plenty of time in my Pfizer.
Moving my stops up just a hair.
Hauling some ass. To
Let's
the
go.
upside. Oh, Christ.
New highs S&P, and that's a new all-time high. Pfizer's got resistance at 4032 G.
I think
Yeah,
Pfizer's
S&P's already
gonna
making new highs, so.
New all-time high on the S&P.
Oh, all time?
New all-time high, yeah.
That's good news for NQ then, dude.
Again.
Yeah, I think Pfizer's gonna go to $42. I should have fucking held it, man. God damn.
NQ's just approaching the previous top. That's what it's doing right now, it looks like.
It's the 14 average, big bro.
Yeah, 400, like 12,400. It could probably bounce off there or something, maybe. It just looks like it wants to fill in a little bit.
Let's go. Look, I'm gonna move my stop on just under 5. Go ahead.
And if it doesn't even pull back to there and just keeps ripping, then it's just gonna rip.
It's going
I'm
to
really
rip.
shocked that Amazon is not.
Alright, I'll be back.
I got a fib level on the NASDAQ here coming up. Let me see where it's at. Where is it at? Maybe I don't. Nope.
Jesus Christ.
Nope. I don't know if it's the all-time high or if it's just a previous all-time high, but 12,465.2 is something. Oh, we got to get past 450 first, of course. Bitcoin's at all-time highs, S&P's at all-time highs, big bro. Let's go. S&P is giving me a sell signal and looks heavy at the top, but the NASDAQ's getting bought. Green. Timing sales. Let's go. Give me my 30.2. What's going on? Top step. What you doing with my chart? Y'all see this? All right. About 20 more minutes on the live stream. And then I got to do some stuff. What do we got? Oh, you talked to J Test last night? Hopefully he's good. NQ's also almost at all-time highs. Apple's making a new high a day. Amazon sideways.
And Pfizer to the fucking moon. God damn it.
Netflix bull flagging. Are you all out of Pfizer?
Damn, dude. Yeah, I'm all out, dude. God damn it.
That's
I just
all right.
sit there in my-
You locked it. Look at your P&L.
It's nothing, bro.
2K overnight. Yeah, okay. That's nothing. That's nothing. You're right.
Look at, dude, look at this shit. They're 39.
Uh-huh.
I sold it for $1.37, right?
Yeah, and what's it now? $3?
220.
Nah, you missed out on $100.
Yeah. I missed out on 700 there.
Oh, I need to move my stops up. Let's see here. Let's put one here, real tight, and let's
What
put
the fuck are they telling me?
one just right there. If we can get another push, let's see. I might raise my
Just
30
aware there could be a
up to
bipartisan
40.
meeting,
We'll
press
see.
conference rather at the moment.
We'll
from
see.
St. Collins, Warner, Castigat, and Manchin, as well as a couple of others. Could be one to watch. But we'll be paying close attention to the Pelosi and Mnuchin call at 1 p.m. Eastern.
Kind of, tell you the truth, I'm kind of bearish in the ES right now.
Bears on the ES.
Thinking of buying some spike puts.
Well, it's definitely due for a little pullback, but it's
Order cancelled.
all right. So I locked in one right there, and I'm gonna put. Well, you know what? Can't take an L on this extra contract that I added, so I'm gonna put my stop here. Small profit. But let's rip it. There you go.
Back.
And I'm gonna pull this back down to my 30. Let's go to 34.
Did it ever test the? Almost.
Up 200 on the day minus commissions. There's my profit target, little bro.
Heck yeah.
But I have.
Order cancelled.
Oh, I'm all out.
I still think it's going to come down and touch 12,400 or somewhere in that range before it goes.
I got a terrible win rate, but I have my winners are 3 times bigger than my losers.
Holy fuck.
Win
Did
rate,
you guys see Zoom?
Zoom?
No.
Fuck. Wow, I totally forgot about Zoom this morning. Holy fuck.
I feel like win rate only matters in a scenario where you have a certain set of brackets set, and you're either looking for the same profit target or the same stop loss every time. That's when your thing matters.
Let's see what happens here. That 08.5 level, tapped it 3 times now. NASDAQ.
So what you got to make a day? What's your daily target in order to pass it in a month?
For the micro account,
Yeah, what is that? $200 or no, not 200.
to pass it, if you do $200 a day, you can get funded on the micro account in 10 days.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, I forgot you could do it in 2 days.
Yeah, you can do
21 trading days.
you can do step 1 in a day on the micro,
Yeah,
and you can
yeah.
do step 2 the next day. You can get funded in 2 days if you do.
I forgot about that.
If you take all 5 contracts, you just 100 points and you're funded.
But your minimum average is what, 21 trading days?
The NASDAQ does
30.
30-point candles every 4 minutes.
You have 21 trading days to make $2,000?
What do you mean?
Because isn't there 21 trading days in a month?
Oh, before you pay for your next thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you got a month to, so 21 trading days, roughly,
Okay.
to make 2K. And in this market, it's no problem. It's no problem in this market. Look at this pullback. Am I gonna get back in?
Yes, you need to make around $95 a day.
Am I gonna get back in over here? Are we we're gonna pull back to 400 and check that whole number before we go higher.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Patience.
Maybe even like around 95-ish.
If I'd have kept my stop right here, I'd still be long. Look at this. Mistake number 1500 today. Moving my stops too tight, too quickly. Gotta relax, give this thing some room. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna go short right here for a scalp.
Order filled.
Red.
High today will be my stop. Just a little scalpy. Take my profit.
Yes, it's just on a fucking tear.
Yeah, this is not a good idea for the scalp.
Jeez.
On that.
Not a good idea for the scalp here. I really feel like that 400 needs to be tapped.
Order filled.
That's all right. That's okay. That's all right.
Google's
It
great.
just touched past the previous
Wow. Facebook went to the fucking moon today. Google to the moon, Facebook to the fucking moon. Cheese and rice.
Order filled.
All right, Mr. Nasdaq. Give me back my money. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Quark on also is ripping. I mean, is there anything that's not ripping today? Yeah, there is a couple things that are not ripping. Quark on is red. AMD is red. Apple red. Facebook red. Google red.
Spies
Cheese
ripping.
and rice.
Everything's ripping. We got Pow Pow, man. It's Pow Pow.
No matter what.
You
I
gotta
want to Pow Pow.
love Pow Pow.
Tesla's dipping as well.
Netflix, red. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go.
Netflix is fucking red.
This thing's gotten volatile here. I want to move my stop up, but it's too early. Look at this seller right here. Look at that seller right there. Once they pop it, we're going to 35. I'm gonna move my target right there, and then I'm gonna turn the stream off. Once this order hits, I'm gonna turn it off.
It's breaking out to the outside of the ascending triangle.
You know what? We're gonna hit 40, man. I'm gonna move my target up here. Fuck.
Bro, I think we're gonna have more than 40.
New high a day. I'm gonna move my stop up under this candle. All right, this is my last trade of the day on stream live. Let's go. No whammies. I'll be back.
Surprise.
Folks, just a quick look at the risk landscape in wake of that ISM data. We have seen
All right. Well, at least I got my money back on that scout.
good data since it might force more combinations. And of course, there is a lot of stimulus talks.
All right. Well, that's gonna do it for the live stream today. Thanks for watching. Join the Discord. I'm gonna go do some lunch. Peace.
he's started speaking just yet. He is likely to.
Later.
Alright, little bro. I'm gonna let the stream run for a little bit, but kill the mic on YouTube.
And for the FX, fresh highs for the year. We have to subsequently come off them, but we are still sticking above 120.